Hello guys, welcome back to Android Solution YouTube channel. So today in this video I'm gonna show you how you can fix Chingari app not working problem. So if your Chingari application is not working, then this video will be absolutely for you. So before starting the videos, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll get a more informative videos every day. So let's get started. So you can see here, this is my Chingari application, and it is, if it is not working, or like if it is having some bugs or headaches, then this video will be absolutely for you. So first of all, make sure that your internet connection is well and okay. And the second point which you have to do here is you have to just simply go to the Google Play Store here, and then here you have to just simply search for Chingari, Chingari, and then here you can see they are asking for an update. So you need to simply tap on the update option, and then you have to update your Chingari application. So after updating your Chingari application, you have to check whether it is working or not. So guys, if it is working, then it's good, and if it is not working, then the next thing with what you can do here is you have to simply go to your phone settings here, and then you have to scroll down, and then you have to go to app management or install apps and go to your list. So after going here, you will find every application that you have installed in your phone. So these are my applications. So you have to select for Chingari here, and then after selecting the Chingari, you have to simply click on storage usage, and then you have to clear all the data here. So after clearing all the data, you can see a force stop button. Click on force stop, and then you have to stop the force. Now you have to scroll down, and then permission button, simply tap on the permission button, and then you have to allow all the permission here. You can see here you have to allow all the permission here. Let me show you. So after allowing all the permission, you can just go back and check whether your Chingari application is working or not. I am 110% sure it will work. So guys, the last option which you can do is, like, you have to go to the settings again, and then you can see here there will be an option software updates. Simply tap on the software updates, and then you have to check whether your software is asking for an update or not. So here you can see there is no update. So if your device is asking for any updates, then you have to update your phone, and then you have to restart your phone, and you have to check whether it is working or not. By doing these steps, I am 110% sure your problem will be solved. Thanks for watching. Do hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. See you soon on the next video.